sweet, sweet daddy. You make me happy.
You have to get his button up America shirt. Go get it out.
Something requesting you some church Americans.
Shorts.
Okay.
Right?
Who loves you the most? Who loves you the most? Mommy or daddy? Who man who? Who loves you the most? Who? Okay, again, this is different question. Who loves Santinus the most? Are you joking or what? Ha? Sing mo na ano, I love you daddy. I love you daddy.
Yeah, because you always being bad. You ain't supposed to be bad.
Why you love daddy today? Because you have something to say to daddy, or you have needs today? No. That's why you love daddy today, no? Because you need something, no?
I'm going to sit over there.
I know. Church. American.
Go get it. Button up.
American church.
Go get it.
Where?
The button up one. The one with the buttons. The American.
So, you're wearing today American church and shirt. The Stars Church. So, okay. See? That's Navy. So, for today's video, mga kadams, andito po tayo kung saan gaganapin ang fireworks. So, we have to go. Minutes na lang po at magsisimula na po ang fireworks. So, dito po gaganapin ang fireworks ngayong gabi. So, yan po nakikita nyo po na may lumilipad. Yan po yung ano, may nakalagay po na ano po yan, wine. So, sila po yung gumagawa ng wine. So, pinapalipad po para mababasa po sa mga tao dito para bibili rin sila ng mga hard wine na yan. So, dito po magse-celebrate ng fireworks. So, dito po ang mga tao ngayong hapon. So, marami pong taong nagsisidatingan at yun nga po, meron pong mga boats at ships. So, yan po yung Navy na lumang-luma na po na nakadisplay lang po dyan at marami pong flags. At hindi nga po kami nakapasok kanina kasi ang dami pong tao. Sold out na po ang tickets. May mga nakadisplay po kasi dyan sa loob ng Navy na mga guns at mga bombs kung ano-ano pa dahil naka-steady na po yan, dahil lumang-lumang Navy na po yan. Dahil meron na po ngayong mga bago, maraming Navy. So, yung Navy na yun ay makakapunta po yan ng Pilipinas long ago. So, yan po ang mga boats. Marami po dyan mga boats. So, mag-wait na lang po kami. Mga ilang minutes na lang po at magpa-fireworks na po. At happy birthday, America! Bye! Thank you for watching!